Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to take you guys around Owerri. This is what Owerri looks like in 2023. Okay, so we're waiting for the traffic light to say green so we can continue moving. It's still red. Okay guys, so we are now moving. So Owerri is a beautiful city. It's the capital of Imo State. Actually, I was born in this city. But then after spending some years in Owerri, I moved out from Owerri. Owerri is developing, still developing. There are a whole lot of structures in Owerri. It's a place where you find a lot of business people, businessmen and women. You know, there is so much to do in Owerri. It's a place to be. It's a place that you can come and catch fun, especially during the weekends. The weekends in Owerri, almost hotels they fill up. You understand? It choke. There are a whole lot of hotels everywhere in Owerri, from World Bank to name it. Owerri has a lot of hotels, and it's very beautiful. With wide roads. You can see people walking around, going, for their day-to-day activities. There are cars, structures, like I said before, everywhere in Owerri. It's a beautiful city, actually. Very, very, very beautiful. And the nightlife here is something else. Owerri has, a bubbling nightlife. So you can see we are moving down. I think this is close to the what is it called again, sir? I've forgotten most of the name of the places, but I think there is a river. The other side, it's called Naked River. Also, so we keep moving. So you can see for yourself how beautiful Owerri is in 2023. Oh, you can look over there, you can see how houses, huge, beautiful mansions, or no be small thing. Or where the people una too get money, una get money, una get money, una get money. So if you have not been to Owerri before, try and visit Owerri. Owerri is a beautiful city. And the people here are friendly. They like life. Owerri, they like life. They like how on they life, you understand? How on they life. So we are driving towards Concord Avenue, right? Yeah, I think it's called Concord Avenue. So we are entering Concord Avenue right now. So you're going to see something. Let me don't talk now. When you get closer, you see. So just keep watching. Just keep watching the video. Wow. So these empty lands around here, I'm pretty sure the empty lands you're seeing here are very, very expensive. Maybe for some people that might want to buy, maybe the lands are already sold, or people, actually own the lands, and maybe they are planning to build something, maybe a hotel or house or so. Or it's a nice place to live, actually. It's a very, very nice place to live. So in terms of security, you know what comes with urbanization though, but Owerri to me is secured. It's a nice place to live, good schools for those of you that have children that, you want to enroll in schools. Owerri has good schools actually. So this is Concord Avenue. You can see the grasses, in between the roads, well taken care of. And the things you're seeing above, these are these street lights. And also these decorations you're seeing, also shines at night. So if you pass through this road in the night, everywhere is bright, everywhere is shining. Owerri is not a dull city at all. Owerri is a hot, bubbling city where everything they happen. You understand? This is a city where if you are lazy, if you are lazy, please don't come to Owerri. Don't come to live in Owerri. Owerri is not for lazy people. Owerri is a place where you see a lot of people struggling, hustling, and you will get motivated to also hustle like them. So that's Concord Hotel. Oh, That's Concord Hotel over there. The big hotel you're seeing there. Yeah, that's Concord Hotel. And all this side, I think it's called Concord Avenue. This is very beautiful. So I can see a bike man or two bike people from this video. I don't know, is bike still operating in Owerri town? If it's still operating, please, you can kindly comment in the comment section. Almost see structure and see now hotel be this very beautiful. And this Mimi's what? Mimi's place. You can come here and eat, eat sumptuous meals, And this is another big, magnificent hotel. It's called Rento. Yeah, Rento Hotel. It's very big, guy. Big, where? It's very big. So I was seeing blue and white minibuses. Is that the Owerri color for minibuses users? I think this is the Angels and Shrine. Will be Kobana Chief Priest. You already know the full story now. I think that's also a hotel. So if you start counting hotels in Owerri, it plenty. You know, if you count and finish, the hotels in Owerri is plenty. You see, hospitality business and all that in Owerri is bubbling, man. So this is a cool area. I think this is a residential area. You can see people's houses. So the people living here, hey, I would have loved to live here also like you guys, because this place is very cool, very calm, And I think this is the building you're seeing there is Ojukwu Memorial Library. I think so. Yeah, Ojukwu Memorial Library. That's it. Okay. So you can see the roads. The roads are wide enough, with street lights everywhere. So you can actually be driving. I told you before that the nightlife in Owerri is top notch. You can drive anywhere in Owerri and there'll be light, like it's lively. Driving even in the night here. You can see people's buildings. People they live for this side. Now they enjoy, now they flex. So see houses now, see area, see environment. If you they live for this kind of place, one problem for your life you don't solve. Owerri fine scatter, no be small thing. So I noticed there are bombs on this road, and these bombs, is normal in Nigerian roads. So that if you're speeding, if you get to the bomb, you have to slow down. Is this another hotel or someone's house? Well, I don't know. I think it's a hotel. So Owerri and Akwa Ibom, sorry, Uyo. If I'm comparing Owerri and Uyo, two of them are very beautiful. But maybe because I was born here in Owerri, that's why I might give it up to Owerri. But Uyo is very beautiful. Please watch my videos. I made videos about Uyo. But I think in terms of maybe buildings, like people's houses, fine houses, we get them for Owerri. But in terms of things that makes a city look so Owerri still get them. But I think Uyo get them because the flyovers waiting for you, them plenty and a whole lot of things too. But Owerri they try. Owerri is So this is the capital of Imo State. This is Owerri. Hello, Owerri, Shiga. This is Owerri, Imo State. That's Concord. The others from the other side. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video. If this is your first time watching my video, you're welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. If you are a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thanks for always making our chance to watch my videos. So you can see the things they displayed there, they are all for sale. The artwork, they are all for sale. So Owerri, another thing I'll tell you about Owerri. Owerri has a lot of beautiful young ladies. You know, there are higher institutions here, so you find a lot of beautiful ladies here. Imo State University, Futo, and Poly Naked there. So Owerri get fine women. No be small thing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So because it's a long time I left Owerri, I even to remember the names of the streets, roads, wasn't really easy for me. But I'm thinking maybe this is Port Harcourt Road, Owerri. I think this is Port Harcourt Road, Owerri. I think this is Imo State Secretariat. Yeah, the building over there. Then this is Central Bank. Yeah, the white building over there, that's Central Bank. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're asking how can you come to Owerri, you can come to Owerri by road, by taking a bus going to Owerri from wherever you are located in Nigeria. And if you're the type of person that doesn't want to go by bus, Owerri has an airport. Owerri has an airport, so you can fly from wherever you are to Owerri. The name of the airport is Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Yeah. I'm still going to drop more interesting videos about Owerri, Imo State. You know, one of the most beautiful cities in Nigeria. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also watch more interesting videos on my channel. Have you seen the mysterious tree that can contain 20 people inside of it, that has a parlor and 8 rooms? I have that video in my YouTube channel.